In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom stamp in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. This tutorial will walk you through the process in a way that's easy to follow, ensuring that you'll be able to personalize your documents in no time. Let's get started by launching Adobe Acrobat. If you don't have it open already, go ahead and open the application now. Adobe Acrobat is the tool we'll use to create and apply your custom stamp, and it's packed with features that make handling PDFs incredibly convenient. Once you have Acrobat up and running, the next thing you need to do is open the PDF document where you'd like to apply your custom stamp. Locate the file on your computer, and with a simple click, open it in Acrobat. This will be our canvas for placing that personalized stamp. Now, with your document open, look towards the top of the screen and click on the Tools tab. Here, you'll find a wide array of tools designed to enhance your PDF interaction. From this menu, select the Stamp option. This is where you'll start creating your custom stamp. After clicking on Stamp, direct your attention to the menu that pops up and find the Create option. Clicking this will be the gateway to designing your stamp. It's an intuitive process, so go ahead and click it. You'll now see an option to choose a file for your stamp. This is the exciting part, where you can select any image or design that you've created beforehand to be your stamp. Browse through your files and choose the one that resonates with the purpose you have in mind for your custom stamp. Once you've chosen your file, the next step is to give your stamp a name. This might seem like a small detail, but it's crucial for keeping your tools organized, especially if you plan to use multiple custom stamps in the future. A clear and identifiable name will help you find and apply the right stamp efficiently. With your stamp named and created, it's time to apply it to your PDF. Locate the area in your document where you'd like the stamp to appear. Simply click on that spot to apply your newly created custom stamp. After placing the stamp, you may find that you want to tweak its size or position for optimal visibility and alignment. This is easily done by clicking on the stamp. You'll notice small boxes at the corners. Click and drag any of these corners to resize it, or click and hold inside the stamp to move it to a different spot. That's all it takes to create and use a custom stamp in Adobe Acrobat. By following these steps, you can add a personal or professional touch to any of your PDF documents. Happy stamping!